Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are discussing about the MS SQL interview questions and answers. In this tutorial we are covering the interview questions. So first question is difference between the cluster and non-cluster indexes. So the cluster index determines the physical order of rows in a table. A table can have only one cluster index. A table can have only one cluster index, and clustered index is automatically created on the primary key. Cluster index is faster for range queries and order by and primary key lookups. So here the example. So the example is create clustered index and index name on employees table and employees ID. So this is the example. So we can say in syntax wise, create clustered index and index name on table and column ID. So here the non-clustered index. A non-clustered index creates a separate structure from the table, and it stores a sorted copy of indexed columns and applies a pointer or row locator to the actual table data. So a table can have multiple non-cluster indexes, and scenario like searching by non-primary key columns, last name and email and status. So when you frequently search or filter data based on non-primary key columns, a non-clustered index greatly improves the performance by avoiding a full table scan. So here's the syntax. So create non-clustered index and index name on table name and column 1 and column 2. So without clustered and non-clustered index, SQL Server uses a heap structure. That means data is not stored in any particular order. This makes search operations slow, and SQL Server just writes rows wherever there's space on the data pages, and for retrieval of particular row it has to be scanned row in every page to find the exact match. This is called a full table scan. That's why we create an index to avoid full scans and jump directly to the needed data. That's it. Thank you.